The words that come to mind when I think of Hyperledger are diversity, inclusion, open, transparency, and trust. The whole concept of being open and transparent and having trust is what makes it amazing. Just so much different than everything else.
It's a leading society within a blockchain world.
Hyperledger, as part of the Linux Foundation, is able to tap into a 15-year history of building open source communities that both have that dynamicism and that kind of creativity and that disruptive innovation that open source communities have, but built in a way that enterprises large and small can trust and know that the rug isn't going to be pulled out from underneath them by a patent lawsuit or by somebody claiming their code was stolen or by a community that looked very vibrant but actually was just one person or one company underneath it.
I think it's so popular because we are so open here. Sometimes innovation happens behind closed doors, but everything we do is fully transparent here.
The power of Hyperledger is an open source community under the Linux Foundation, which is the premier open source community for distributed ledger technology.
There's still a lot of work to be done. There's still a lot of places where people can come in and contribute.
We're working in this organization to help parties establish a common truth and trust in that truth.
What Hyperledger does is it brings together these experts to make the decisions where everyone can benefit.
It is the ecosystem, and this is a team sport. So I think Hyperledger will continue to be at the center of it and driving it forward.
I think the Hyperledger community perspective and our openness has been an enabler for our growth and probably is going to be an enabler for our sustainability.
I think trust barriers are being broken. That's really the impetus and the very unique aspect of the technology and why it's so important to start to implement this in things like identity, like e-voting, like making sure that we have facts and not fake news. There's so many applications of this technology that it truly is going to change the world.